this question just came to me. Do you believe in karma? Do you believe in what you do comes back to you, even in a traditional Indian sense of the world?
Yeah.
Do you believe what you do, and do you believe it's instant?
Yeah,
I've been pondering this lately.
Yeah. I think let's keep the word karma away again.
Okay.
Let's just use jargon that's very commonplace in the world out here.
Okay.
Right? I feel every choice that we make will have a consequence.
Right.
How can I make a choice and not have a consequence? Can't be. Right? I say something to you, there's going to be a consequence. Right? I connect to you or I disconnect from you. You disconnect from me or you connect to me. I've done it. I made my choice. I made my choice to hurt you. There's going to be a consequence to you. Right? So every choice I make is going to have a consequence. Now you call it karma, you call it the law of action and reaction, or you call it the law of choices and consequences. It doesn't matter what we call it. But it's a law of nature. It's a law of the world, right? So does it come instantly? Does it come after a while? Let's say I hurt you. I say something. I won't. I'll never hurt you, Brian. You're such an amazing gentleman.
I hope so.
You're an amazing.
I'm pretty tough, though.
No. Even in the little time that I've known you, it's been so beautiful to just chat with you and know you.
Thank you.
It's just been a very beautiful experience to know you in this little time. So.
But if you did.
Yes, as an example, if I hurt you, right? You are a wonderful gentleman. So you probably kind of take it in your stride. It's okay. Maybe he's going through a tough day. I hurt you twice. The second time I come here on London Real and I say, what the hell's going on here? You say, it doesn't look like it's just a tough day. It looks like he's wired to do it this way. Right? You still probably, because of a wonderful person that you will probably take it. A third time will probably take it. So your reaction to me is not an instant one. Your tolerance has allowed you to stay put and keep quiet and stay calm for 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times, 20 times. The 21st time, you're going to say, I'm not a doormat. I don't want to be a pushover. I mean, okay, I respect you. You're a monk, fine. You can't say what you like to say. You can't come here and just, say anything you like. So what I did, the choice I made, didn't get an instant reaction. The reaction was postponed to a year, 2 years. My 21st visit on London Real, probably 2.5 years later, 20 years later. Let me give you another example. A person's a compulsive alcoholic, right? Like real bad. Does that person get liver cirrhosis instantly? No. Serious liver issues? No. It's made a choice. The consequence is going to be there. How can there be no consequence to the choice that's been made? We may not come instantly because the body has a certain capacity to handle it. So taking these examples, if we see every other situation in our life as well, in the universe, there will be reactions that we may get instantly, but there may be reactions that we may get after a while because it might take a while to build up before the reaction comes to us. So now here there's no religion, no faith, no philosophy involved. It's just a straight life here, right? Call it karma, call it choices, consequences, call it action and reaction. I think it does work very powerfully. And we all experience it in our daily life.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. I'm looking for partners, collaborators, colleagues who want to join forces with me around the globe and create real value, generational wealth, and financial freedom for everyone else around the world. Get involved in the cryptocurrency markets, get involved in the NFT markets. This is your moment. Life all comes down to a few moments. Don't let this pass. Now it's not too late. Next year's going to be too late. Ultimately, this is about freedom. That's the way I see it. This is about giving power back to the people and enabling billions of people worldwide to use the financial markets to improve their lives and those of their friends and their families and their communities. Honestly, I think it's a violation of human rights not to allow people basic access to financial services. Because right now people are being kept in the dark, they're being robbed of education, and it's a travesty. And so I'm looking for people that want to join me and be a part of this solution. And that all happens inside the DeFi Academy. The gains my students are making are absolutely amazing. Double, triple digit gains in the first month alone. That's amazing. This will change your life. Now is the time to get involved. I'm going to tell you exactly how my students in my academy made money in the last 30 days. I'm talking about real trading results. And let me just whet your appetite a little bit. Let me hit you with some numbers. I'm talking Brendan from New Zealand is up 68.77% on the month. Steve from Europe up 83%. Albert in Singapore up 169.9% on one single trade. I got Susan up 153% on her call options alone, also rocking 139% returns and 442% returns as well on individual trades. These are people that are changing their financial future in the last 30 days, but it's based on trading discipline. I've graduated over 500 students from inside my academy from over 54 countries around the world. It's amazing. When it comes to crypto, DeFi, and blockchain, we love this space. We truly believe it's the future. This is down to our core. It's authentic to what we're doing, and everybody can tell through the camera because you can't make this stuff up. If you're watching me now, wherever you are, I implore you, take 60 seconds right now and join my academy. Apply today. Now you've got a chance. Life all comes down to a few moments. What are you going to do? What's the choice that you're going to make?